In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce using your security token. If you've ever struggled with accessing your Salesforce account, especially when you're prompted for a security token, don't worry. I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure a smooth login experience. Let's start by heading over to your Salesforce homepage. Open your preferred browser and type in your Salesforce URL, or simply navigate to the homepage. Once you're there, check that you're in the right account environment, ensuring it's the correct workspace for your Salesforce operations. Next, you'll want to click on your user profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Your profile houses essential options, and accessing it is a crucial step in navigating to the settings you need today. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, look for the Settings option in the drop-down menu. Clicking here will take you to your personal Salesforce settings area. It's the central hub for all personal and security settings related to your account. Inside the settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Reset My Security Token. This can often be found under the Personal Information section of your settings. Click on it to proceed. Sometimes finding this option can be tricky due to varying user interfaces, so don't hesitate to use the search function in your settings if necessary. At this point, a new security token will be sent to your registered email address. This token is crucial for logging in, especially if you're integrating Salesforce with another application or logging in from a new device. Be sure to check your email inbox, and if you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you have your security token, you're ready to log in. When you reach the Salesforce login page, enter your username and password as usual. Here comes the crucial part. Append your security token directly to your password in the password field. For example, if your password is my password and your security token is 123456, you should enter my password 123456. Remember, there's no space between the password and the token. That's it. With your credentials correctly entered, you should now be able to access your Salesforce account. This process ensures that your account remains secure while giving you seamless access to your Salesforce data. And there you have it. A complete walkthrough of how to log into Salesforce with the security token. By following these guidelines, you'll always have access to your account, even in situations where extra security verification is needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.